Hi, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I have taken quite a hiatus, but I am back. The girl is back, and I just wanted to show you all this natural makeup tutorial. Give you guys a little something. I know it's been a while, but I'm so happy to be back. So here in this clip, I'm just moisturizing my face. I think I was using just what is it? CeraVe. Either it was CeraVe or Cetaphil. And here now I'm just going in with the Elf Power Grip Primer. It's super tacky if you want your makeup to stay. That's your girl. And most of the video, wow. Clearly I haven't done a voiceover in a while, can you tell? Most of the products that I will be using in this video today are drugstore products or things you can get at Ulta, because I know I got most of them at Ulta except for the brushes. So here, this is a e.l.f. eyebrow pencil in deep brown. It's a wider pencil. It's not fine tooth. So just to be aware of that, I think this pencil was like $3. I think that primer, the e.l.f. primer, was like $6. Most of the stuff in this video is pretty inexpensive. It's not very expensive at all. Like I said, you can get most of it either at a drugstore, Walmart, CVS, things like that. Here I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless. I do believe that it's the color 334. So I filled my brows in. I like my brows kind of thick, okay? I don't like to do too much. I don't like to do too much reworking. And I'm just going to go in and conceal with that. I'm going to use foundation to highlight and contour in this video as well. You can definitely use concealer, but foundation works as well, just the same. You want to use light, soft strokes. I don't know if y'all can hear my child in the background. And I'm just blending that out with a soft, fluffy, like concealer brush. And go in and kind of clean that tail up just a bit. I don't typically conceal over my brows. I don't know, I feel like that's a bit excessive. Sometimes it takes away from a more natural, more realistic look. So here I am also using the 334, and I'm just going to put that over my lid. I already primed my whole face. You can use like a eyeshadow base. I know P. Louise they have a really good one, and it comes in. You can get it in pretty much any color, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm just gonna use that same color as my base. Yeah, those were the same color. And now I'm going into my Morphe 3503. I think it's Fierce by Nature. I think that's what it's called. And I'm just going in with a brown shade, going into my crease and just sweeping away towards the outer corner of my eye. I'm just gonna create some definition there, build up that color. You see how that's giving, warmth to the face, to the eyes. I'm sorry. I don't know if y'all can hear him, but Peppa Pig really got him going. All right. Now I'm going in with another eyeshadow brush, a soft brush, and I'm taking like a nude kind of color and just putting that into my lid. Soft taps. All right, so now I'm going in with this NYX eyeliner. I always have to tell my clients before I even take the cap off, listen, do not open your eye. Keep them closed until this eyeliner is dry. It is not fast drying, but it is one of my favorite eyeliners. I must say I've been using it for years, but I always have to tell my clients that because they just get so happy. I don't know, like close your eyes. Close your eyes, honey, I'm not done. I'm not finished. But yeah, this is one of my favorite eyeliners. I've been using it for years. Years and years and years and years. As a very fine tip, like it starts off narrow and it grows wider, which will definitely help you when you want to create like a wing liner, but we're not doing that today. So here, I'm using, I think this is the shade, 360, but this isn't matte. This is a dewy foundation. And I'm just going in with this Mary Kay foundation brush and just sweeping that all over my face. Yeah, I'm just gonna go with that foundation and just clean up the like the top of my brows. That's why I don't like to use necessarily, depending on what kind of look I'm doing with this one, because I don't want that halo effect above my brows. I'm just going in with my foundation and cleaning up the top, and you can see the difference from the beginning of this clip to now. Okay, so now I'm going in with the what shade is that? The 334 again, and I'm going to use that to highlight. Okay, so this is a 334. The other foundation I was using in the beginning, that's 355. Yeah, that was the color 355. And now I'm going in with the L'Oreal. Oh, why, girl, why you lie so bad? That is not what that is. Maybelline. That's in the color 370, if I'm not mistaken. And most times, like, when you are contouring and highlighting your face, you just go based off of where that already occurs naturally in your pigment, already on your face. So just put it in the areas where, I don't know, I know me personally, I have a natural contour and highlight. I'm sure you could probably see the highlighted like in the T-zone area of my face at the beginning of the video. So now I'm taking that same fluffy brush and just blending out that concealer or foundation, whichever one you so choose. And I believe these foundations are medium to full coverage. I didn't put on a lot of foundation. And I'm just blending that out. And this is another reason why I don't really like to conceal the top of my brows with like a lighter concealer because I'm already going to conceal my forehead. You see, and it's going to just brighten that area up, give it more definition there. Just blend, blend, blend. Don't blend too much, but blend, blend, blend. Alright, so now I'm going to take my beauty blender and you want to press your powder into the skin. You want to press it in. You don't want flashback. Press it into the skin and drag it out. Alright. So now I'm going to use my Smashbox palette. It's a contouring palette. And I'm just going to go in and give my face a little bit of warmth. I don't even know if Smashbox still makes this palette, but I'm sure you can find another one. I got this. This is actually a gift. And I believe it was gotten from Ulta. So with that same contour palette, I'm just going to go in with this soft flat brush and get that under eye. I think the last video that I did, my locks were babies. They were babies. I'm going on March. My birthday is in March, but it'll be 3.5 years. So with that same brush, I find that, I don't know which influencer I got that from, but she was like, she uses a powder when she's doing like a, like an ombre lip or whatever, nude lip combo, whatever, y'all know what I'm talking about, because it'll hold better, like it'll stay on much longer than like if you were to use like a pencil or whatever, something like that. So I'm just going in with my e.l.f. blush palette and putting it on the apples of my cheeks. I'm going to use that same brush to highlight, Okay, another soft brush, and I'm just going to contour, or use a powder to set where I contoured my face on the bridge of my nose. And you want to sweep that into the inner part of your eye and eyebrow, like right at the top right there. So now I'm going to use this Juvia's Place highlighter. I'm not sure what the name of this highlighter is, y'all. Yeah, I'm not sure what the name of it is, but whatever highlight you like, you prefer, all of that. And don't forget the nose. Okay, so I just put a gloss on, a clear gloss. These eyelashes, I got them from the hair store. I typically don't wear strip lashes. I do like clusters. like lash clusters, like to do them myself. I feel like it gives like a more natural look, but depending on, whatever makeup look you have going on, there's nothing wrong with a little strip lash. We came up on strip lash. There's nothing wrong with a little strip lash. And I like to use Lash Duo. That's the best lash glue ever. I don't care what nobody say. My favorite one is the 30-second hold. Like, love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Because who got time to be sitting there trying to wait till the glue get tacky and all this, that, and the third. Even though the other lash duos, like, they're pretty quick drying. They don't really take a long time. But, Okay, so here I see that I had, like, a few areas that weren't as blended as I would have liked for them to have been. Like, I feel like that side was a little bit more blended than the other side. So I'm just gonna go back in with a fluffy powder brush and just, blend all of that out. And here I'm using my e.l.f. matte setting spray. I think it's just called that. I think that was $3 as well. All the brushes I used, I got them off of Amazon or either BH Cosmetics. And that's it, y'all. Look at the girl.